They have a 100th sign in front of Disney's Animal Kingdom alongside the banners now saying 25. It is the 25th anniversary of DAC today, which is also Earth Day. Pretty cool. Seems like we made it in time. Let's see a show already by the tree.
To the right.
Pandora or Africa or your leg. You want to catch the show? Keep going straight.
Hurry up a little bit so we can pass this.
Good morning.
All that available space inside that too.
Yeah. Will you take a picture of my backpack?
I just did. I was just sending it to you.
Okay. Okay. Jen wanted to see it on my body. I said she's going to say. It's great. I didn't touch the brakes until it was on a weekend.
So the individual scoop is that you need to see the tree.
Okay.
All that available space. If you see space, take it.
Well, I mean, I'm just a random person telling you that. They're right there. Oh, really? Why aren't you being she had a shade.
Imagine this is the show.
Sounds like it's the burger thing.
Oh, no. It's great. They're fine, but you gotta... Here, you get some shade. Now what? The silence.
Happy Earth Day and welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Please welcome Walt Disney World Ambassadors Ali Mannion and Rayvon Redding. Well, good morning and welcome and happy Earth Day!
Wow, what a crowd. Thank you all so much for being here to celebrate this very special occasion.
That's right, Rayvon. 25 years ago today, we opened the gates of this beautiful park for the very first time.
And at the opening of those gates, Disney Animal Kingdom has been at the core of our conservation efforts right here at Walt Disney World Resort. And all over the globe, there are animals that are thriving because of the very work that we are doing right here in this park.
It's because Please welcome Vice President of Disney's Animal Science and Environment team, Dr. Mark Kay.
Yeah, doctor. Speak up. Oh, you totally got me in that. Now I'm gonna look terrible. Bring back the world. Bring back the woman. You can see. Oh, you can see him? Oh yes, I can see him. I'm going to say 18. Claire was friends with him for 25 years. I'm going to say 18 or early. Oh, you've been for 18 years. Literally for 25 years.
No, I think the park has only been open for 2 weeks.
It's like how we celebrate like babies' first birthdays after they're 9 months old. You know, they've been like growing for 9 months. We celebrate this park 6 years after.
I really want to have like anniversary. So what if we just like packed like the park and
Make it a big deal. If it's with our 50, 100, 25 increment thing.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, we should say 75. You're one to talk. If you just turn his mic down, or if he's just not as loud as very quiet. What are we clapping for?
Look, we've donated a lot of money to conservation efforts. I don't know if we want money. I know. So I
to our cast members, to each and every guest who visits Disney's Animal Kingdom.
And you know, Allie, when we're all here, it's like we're one big family, and we know how to keep the celebration going. And so we want to invite you all to be a part of our family as we celebrate the 25th anniversary of Disney's Animal Kingdom. Thank you all so much for being here to celebrate the 25th anniversary of Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. We hope you all have a wild time.
Wolverine! Thank you for joining us for this special presentation celebration of the 25th anniversary of Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, discover many adventures here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Happy Earth Day!
Is it really important to get a picture? Someone said that.
Quite the crowd for the opening show here at Animal Kingdom for the 25th anniversary and for Earth Day. And good morning everyone from Disney's Animal Kingdom. We are here today as it is the 25th anniversary of this beloved park here today. Today is also Earth Day. It is a beautiful Earth Day. There's plenty of sunshine today, I noticed, and it's a nice warm day here today.
Make sure you can see the cameras, especially that one right
Oh,
there.
they're still having the rest of the ceremony. This is more for like the cast members and whatnot, cast member photos, it seems, with some of the characters. Anyways, we are here today. We just caught the opening ceremony. And yeah, we're gonna have fun here today at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna see a lot of stuff here today, I hope. Whoa! Dragonfly, hello! There was a dragonfly right by my head. Anyways, let's head on in and see some animals. I'm taking you guys all.
Stars, yes? Thank you all. You guys are good to go. All right? We will see you at your stages and your locations and your lands. You're all wonderful.
I like it, bro.
And okay. Go up on stage for me. All the heritage friends on this side up on stage.
There's a line right now to even get some of the Earth, 25th anniversary merchandise. There's like a line to see it. I'm not sure how this works. Something. They have Spirit jerseys. More Adventure is out there. Has Kevin on it. This is a Spirit jersey.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful, yeah. Does the front say anything? Yes, it says 25 on the front. Yeah. Life with Magic, 25. Pin for $17.99. This is one of many, I think. Let's go see the other ones if we can. Yeah. Well, whatever was here was gone.
Except some in front there.
I know. They have a magnet. It says 25, Alive with Magic. It's a wood magnet. Pretty. Yeah. The line for the merchandise is all the way down to Pandora at this point, so we're just going to look at it here from the flyer. 20th anniversary shirt for $29.99. The pin I showed from before. They have magnets, ornaments, like a little cube thing, a backpack. Looks like a light, that cube thing. And some more shirts. And these are all the prices here. This is from a flyer that a lovely cast member is showing me because that line is just, outrageous, yes.
And then okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh!
Sorry about that. These are going to be located across the street.
Located across the street, so Riverside.
Yep.
Yeah, Riverside. Okay, these are going to be in Riverside, these pins. The dinosaur one's really nice because there's no like new dinosaur merchandise anymore. It sucks.
And it's such a good movie.
I know. Please don't get rid of the ride.
Yes, of course. I know. I love the ride.
The lovely bag here as well that our equally lovely cast member is showing us. This is a nice lounge fly. It's like a saddle bag almost.
Yes, and all around has the animal prints.
Oh yeah, all around has the animal print that's famous here at Animal Kingdom alongside the logo. And the front flap says 25. You can see like a lion, a rhino, elephant, and a songbird. Very cool. Thank you so much.
Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you. We also still have a lot of new Pandora merchandise here. This is a beautiful dress. Yes, Nanny. As The Way of Water came out last year, it was, and it's still very popular. It's really wild because these skim wings, I remember seeing these in like Flight of Passage, like on the actual ride, and I was thinking, oh, those are cool. And then all of a sudden it's in Way of Water, so it seems like they were just kind of like hyping it up in that sense. Found this beautiful pair of new ears. It's Simba and Nala. Has a traditional design on the ear. Back of it is plain. These are very lovely and they're $34.99. There's also this shirt here. That's cute. It's like a retro Simba print. We have these Lion King ears. Look, it looks pretty. It looks like traditional African. It's very beautiful and shiny. These are for $58. They actually have the 25th merchandise. It's kind of tucked away in the corner by the monarch display on the window or wall. It lines down to Pandora.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. It looks like
Crowd has finally cleared out from here, so we're gonna go see the 25 stage. It looks like they might be having the birds come by soon, as there's still crowds here in this front area.
This is the first time we're at another park other than Epcot. Because we just keep doing festivals.
In line to get the Pumbaa popcorn bucket. It is an Earth Day exclusive, as again for the 25th anniversary of DAC as well. It is at any popcorn stand, so I'm getting mine from the feeding ground, which is located right next to what is the nearest ride? The Bugs Life Attraction, aka It's Tough to Be a Bug. Well, we got our Puma popcorn bucket, and now I have to face my fear. And that fear is going on It's Tough to Be a Bug. Again, I have not been on this in about a good few years now because I've just been so scared of it. But I'm gonna break that today. Right through here, yeah, this is the standby entrance. Do you want me to go under the tree?
Yeah.
Like sometimes they'll give you like 10% off sometimes at like some of the places.
I just realized something.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like you're down to like a bug size. Do you realize that? Everything looks bigger, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like much bigger. Granted, this is a very big tree, but everything it just feels they just feel tiny. Look at the gam. Oh, that's cool. They those like little armored like desert lizards.
Oh my god. So much walking.
There's bugs here. I think you're good. That was fantastic. It's not as scary as I remember it being as a small kid.
Yeah.
But still, I think it's going to be a one-time thing for me. Did you enjoy it, Nan?
Yeah. I don't like bugs too.
That was a very hesitant, yeah. I didn't record it because I wanted to watch the entire thing, like, just to see, was this really scary to me as a child?
Was it?
Yeah,
Still? Okay.
still, yep.
So you're happy that I kept the statues?
I am, yeah. I'm really happy they kept the golden statues at each of the Disney parks because it just looks nice and it celebrates like the parks and stuff. A lot of people are coming into Animal Kingdom even as we're heading out for the day.
It's early.
It is, and well, people want to celebrate Earth Day and well, Animal Kingdom's birthday. 25 years. That is quarter of a century of Animal Kingdom. We have guide maps to celebrate the 25th of Animal Kingdom. It says commemorative guide map 25. They still have the National Geographic logo outside, and that is really fitting because on Disney Plus you can watch National Geographic as they're under Disney Plus.
Yeah?
Yeah. Really fitting day to watch documentaries today though.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what makes a perfect documentary? The Disney Nature ones. They're also on Disney Plus. I've watched a few of those already. It was a nice short day here at Animal Kingdom. We came right at rope drop. That was crazy. I've never rope dropped Animal Kingdom before. To see the opening ceremony show they had here, especially for Earth Day and the 25th anniversary of this beautiful theme park. I can't believe it's already 25 years since they opened. Animal Kingdom specifically opened on Earth Day all those years ago, so it's a very nice day here today, just on Earth Day because it's honoring Mother Earth, nature, animals, plants, everything around it. After rope dropping Animal Kingdom today, well, that was a nice day today. It was honestly very beautiful today. Oh, we even got to see some characters today. We saw some from the opening ceremony, and I got to see Kevin as she walked by. earlier today because she had just come out when I went out to get my Joffrey's coffee.